Everything else I can teach you, I can provide for you. So, ang kailangan ko lang puro proof na natapos. Yes? If you have specific questions, actually, teacher, what's his name? Carl is already on his day 4. So if you can see here, the IELTS study map, ito yung mismong content niya. Right. So ang kailangan ko is sensitive rules 3.0. Screenshot nito. Ito ata yung mas pwede nyong skip. ET training 2 in day 2. And then for day 3, nandito ka na, right, Teacher Joy? You
Yes,
mentioned
miss.
about BSR, feedback, and scoring navigation, which is being taught by Teacher Eloisa, and which if you watch any trial class, it's very easy. And if you need further training for that or like brief, I can teach it to you in a very brief manner. So it's nothing complicated. Why it's complicated? It's because there's a lot of things that you need to read, videos and all that. Pampatagal yon. If I will have to choose, I will train you directly to how to do the trial class.
Oh,
PREC and IMF. That's all I care. Sensitive rules, except that the thing is, this is being required by the office, our main office, and we cooperate with them. So kailangan ko lang talaga yung completion. And how do you make it quicker? It's when you take the quiz. There's a video, there's a quiz, and then you fail. I'm not saying you fail right away, but in case you fail, it will generate into an answer. Take the correct answer, take it again. Then you pass. Move to the next. That's how you can move from one course to the other.
I see, I see.
Okay? So day 1 to 5, but basically, completion lang yan. Kasi there are like, here the PREC can be taught by Teacher Eloisa live. So the IMF, which will be for part 2, that's in somewhere in day 14 ata, but I can also teach that. And there's a YouTube link. You know, in the YouTube, you watch it. Ito pala siya, day 7 pala yung IMF. You watch it, you learn it, and then you apply it. It's quicker. Okay, this one is just completion. Is that better, Teacher Tim?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in Ding Talk, why you're just alone there because you're completing it by yourself, right? You have questions, ask the guys. The ones that are done, I don't really care if you share answers, it's okay. 80% of the time, you'll be completing the Ding Talk material, and then you will be with me for one-on-one quality check. It's to summarize everything that you learned, make it simpler for you, and then orientation. And you start as a new teacher. So yung self-check na to, I have this, but maybe it will confuse you more. So I don't know if I should give that to you. So if you want, I can give that to you. Anyhow, on day 2, you can already do the onboarding. Can you see my screen? This one.
Right. It's paused right now.
Pause. Okay, let me do a reshare. Because on day 2, DingTalk already asked you to prepare your script and all that. So already, Teacher Joy, you know, you're gonna use Vivian, right? Teacher Timothy, you can choose Timmy or TJ. Teacher Mervin, I need to ask. You need to give me 3 names that you can use for Partner English. So in your self video, it's the title is about the teacher's self introduction. You must mention your name. So hello, I'm Teacher Vivian. I'm the new teacher, or I'm the IELTS teacher at Partner English. So you need to mention that
Okay.
in your script. Yep. And then follow the prompts, such as you've been teaching IELTS, blah, blah, blah. I was able to help my student achieve their target score. Follow what's in here. Okay, target score in IELTS because you're an IELTS teacher. You don't need to mention you're from the Philippines, your age, and all that.
Mm.
Okay, so you have this information and feel free to browse what's in there and follow the instruction. So basically, for recording, you must use the partner English background. You will need to give me, like, if you can see my photo, so this is my profile photo. I should be in the middle, smiling. I can give you, oh, I gave you a sample already, Teacher Tim, right? Of Teacher CJ's
Yes,
submission.
ma'am.
So just, follow the model and it'll be easier for you. So I need, when you do a recording in your VOOV, once you press the recording, I'm pressing the recording, then let's say I end it, it will generate into 4 or 5 files. You get the MP4 and the MP3. MP3 is the audio, MP4 is the video. Okay, so what's important there is you look into the camera. It's just like I'm speaking with you when I'm looking into my camera. Eye contact, right? So have hand gestures, good lighting, of course, welcoming environment. You need to smile, and then it has to look natural. Okay, so why you need to have a good lighting? You see on the left and the right side of my video, there's like a shadow. So if I have a good lighting, walang shadow. I'm just using a lamp at this time, so my environment is relaxing. Okay, because I'm doing a lot of meetings. So audio, video, and screenshot. So parang cover photo mo. Right? So yan yung self-intro. I'm going to show you a sample how it's gonna look like here. Nag-stop ba yung ano ko? Yung video ko ulit.
Now.
Okay, let me do another reshare. So as you can see here, this is my TM's account, and this will be how it's gonna look like on the TA side. Tama ba? Assignment yung na-click ko. Wait. Features. Okay, I'm going to show one teacher over here. Maybe teacher Arian. Who else? Teacher. Maybe I can show to you teacher Phil. Okay, so introduction. So teacher Phil's introduction for IELTS. Let me share the sound so you can hear. So as you can see, this is his photo, this is the video, this is the audio, and this is the video.
Hello.
I can't hear the file, ma'am.
Both formal and informal writing.
Okay, let me reshare.
More than 80% of my students have improved by 1.5 band in IELTS
Can
speaking.
you hear now?
In my
Yes, yes.
you can
Yes.
feel relaxed and confident. I always keep the atmosphere light and friendly. I specialize in pronunciation, especially with common challenges like the R and L sounds, and both the voiced and voiceless TH sounds. If you are having trouble with these, we can improve them together. I also worked as a call center representative for 2 years, where I learned that American accents can be very different depending on the state. I can teach you useful techniques to understand and respond clearly, regardless of the accent. I believe that learning should be a two-way process. It's not just about the teacher.
Okay, so that's one example of how we can use your video that you will submit to me. And TAs will be showing that to several students to be able to sell your classes. Okay, so it's gonna look like that. Um, right? Your script will be here. These are students' feedback on this teacher. And then, so that's the profile now. Let's move on to the enrollment information. If you're okay with this already, if you don't have questions.
None so far.
Okay,
No,
so
ma'am.
this is it. Do you have it? You have questions? Ask to call me. Or I'm not very fond of a long chatting. If you have long question, please ask to call me. You can call me in Ding Talk or you can ask to join my meeting room.
All
Okay.
right, Miss.
Mm, Where is about the teacher? This is the enrollment information. So I made this more complete in a way that you have everything. While you have the VOOV in DingTalk, you can skip that already. So what I have here would be some prompts for you to prepare what I needed to prepare your account, just like what you saw. So here, I need this to be saved in a Word file. So nakalagay naman dyan, all will be used for account creation. And hindi pala to Skype, it's now DingTalk. So put it in a Word file and then all the photo, ID, certificate sent to me in a screenshot. Why? Because more than 10 Mbps, the system cannot accommodate. It's too heavy. So screenshot lang of photo, ID, and certificate. Personal information, your full name, complete address, date of birth. Do not skip information because it's here. I need it for your account creation. Mobile number, also emergency mobile number, who that person is, your email, etc. It's all there. You see, it's all detailed. So less than 10 MB for the picture. I need the screenshot of the ID and the ID number. Kunwari, it's a passport. I also need a passport ID number. Kasi kailangan ko encode yon sa teacher's account. Relevant ESL certificates. You mentioned about the bank. I gave you some links. You click that, create your account, and it has video. So Teacher Carl has already created his own. It's for those teachers who have used that link, they said that it's very easy. Don't go to the bank. When you go to the bank, they will charge you 3,000 for the maintaining balance. You do it online, there's no maintaining balance. So bibigay mo lang sa akin the full name, bank name is BPO, anong account number, 10 digits. So if, for instance, you still don't have the BPI account, I can accept, let's say BDO, I don't know what bank you have, pero you have to furnish that who owns the bank account. Kunwari, BDO ang may-ari, your husband or I don't know, then the ID of that person, male or female, anong date of birth niya. if it's not your bank account. So I suggest you create your own account, but if it will delay your enrollment, I suggest use whatever you have at the meantime, so it won't delay. For the employment status, all of you are VIP full-time IELTS teacher. And then ito, length of teaching experience, let's say maybe 4 years ago, just give me maybe August 10 of year 2000, blah, blah, blah. So a total of 4 years. And then this one will be, you click the link and you get the access. And you will see the example of the input of the teachers. Follow the format, how they did it. Basically here, what you can see there would be your address, what's your course, um, some of your educational background, how can that help you as as a teacher, mga ganon. So, and then you translate that in Chinese. So there's English and Chinese. Because all our TAs are Chinese. It's very difficult for them to read English. Kaya this one is for IELTS feature. So meron silang drive that they can, it can have your descriptions or features, and they can match that with your students. Okay, so personality, ito naman is just in the system, like a general description of your personality. Pagdating dito, may YouTube na. If you follow, you play, you pause, you play, you pause. How do you convert your personal VOOV into a business VOOV that you will use in class? So I suggest you save your logins personal, because that's what we are going to use when we are having a meeting. But during classes, you will use the enterprise advanced account only on classes. Okay, so this one is using Itong Zuo 2, which is already here in the YouTube. So after that, you send me I sent you some examples, right, Teacher Joy?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Teacher Mervin, I'm going to send you a sample as well later on. So,
Thank you.
PMI screenshot, and then yung mismong cover ng VOOV, kasi makikita mo if it's personal or free account or advanced version ba siya, ganon.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ito na yung mismong profile mo, yung this one, the one that I discussed here. Yan yun. Ito yun. Those files over here. MP4, MP3, and screenshot of the video. Yep, and then finish the learning map. That's all. Okay. Teacher Joy, do you have some difficulty? Because you moved your demo, right? Can you
Yes,
tell me
miss.
your difficulty?
Okay na po ako doon sa navigation, doon sa warm up. And then, doon ako nahirapan sa, I'm having hard time with answer correction.
Hmm?
Is one factor for that is my typing speed.
What's your
Although
typing speed?
around 35, although
35.
I can mostly capture the student's answer in a medium like speed,
Hmm.
but then at some point nami-mix up doon sa head ko ang sequence.
Sequence of, is it the correction or sequence of the presentation of
The
ideas?
presentation itself, lalo na sa time, it's time bounded. So
Oh, IELTS teachers files. Okay. Let me open that and maybe try to clarify what's confusing you. Maybe you can focus on this one. Teacher Mervin,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
going to do a little bit of technical explanation, but maybe you can use it. This is for the demo. So the demo preparation that I shared with all teachers, one of that will be the time management. Yeah.
Yes.
So Teacher Joy has already prepared with Teacher Aloisa on several parts of the demo. There's warm up, mock test because it's an IELTS class, and then she's talking about the answer and correction sequence, right?
Yes.
So the answer and correction sequence, as you mentioned, you need to type the original answer of your student, correct?
Right,
Teacher
miss.
Joy? Yeah,
Yes, miss.
so basically, pag na-type mo, you don't really need to complete all. If you can type phrases, keywords, then to be able to complete this with your student later on. But
Yes.
somehow, if you have the keywords and the phrases, you can complete the answer based on the question, right? Let's say you're talking about books or you're talking about the hometown. If you have the keywords there, somehow you can complete it with your student. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so once you have recorded the original answer, do not how can I say, keep the original answer. Keep it saved. Do not erase. Dear, may kopya ka nito. Teacher Joy, may kopya ka nito. Yung the title of this is Time Management ET Flow, Trial
Apa.
Class Flow. So pag na-record mo na yung original answer niya, so makikita mo na maybe 1, 2 sentences, right? So in that 1 or 2 sentences, you can give your feedback. Anong problema ng sentence na yon? Is it lacking in how do I say, linking words? Walang
Mm.
to, walang by, walang from, walang is, are, something like that. Lacking linking words. How about the sentence construction? So tama ba yung, is it a simple sentence? Is it a compound sentence? Kaya na ba niya? So you fix the sentence. So if there's something wrong with it, give feedback and correction dun sa mismong sentence. Something is wrong with the grammar, you can mention, okay, you're talking about the past, but you're using the present tense. So let's work on that. Like in here, your sentence here is this. So this should be like this. So 1, 2, 3 sentences, you give feedback and correction. First 2 minutes. Okay, most of the time, you're not yet done with the feedback and correction. Tapos na yung 2 minutes. So what you need to do, copy the original answer, paste in the improved answer. Kasi yun yung mismong trabaho ni teacher sa IELTS. I-improve yung original answer, correct?
Yes.
So simple sentence, make it a little better. Basically like that. So what you need to do is before you improve everything, you must first mention, kasi Teacher Mervin, well, it will be taught by Teacher Aloisa. It's the method of PREC.
Yes, ma'am.
Point, reason, example, conclusion.
And conclusion.
That's
Yeah.
part 3. So part 1 is just PRE, walang conclusion. So
Yes.
optional pag part 1. So yun lang ang demo nyo. So before you even introduce PREC, it's just like giving medicine to your student. Ito yung sakit nila, yung mga error dun sa sentences nila. Yun yung sakit nila, you find the weakness, and before you even give the medicine, which is PREC, you have to mention the reason. Why will you be recommending a method? Kasi papalitan mo yung sagot eh. Most of the students will mind, bakit pinapalitan ni teacher yung sagot ko? Bakit,
Yeah.
wala na akong sinabing tama. So first, explain. Feedback and correction, find the weakness. Mention the reason why you will recommend the method, which is the PREC. Example, I'm going to recommend you the method PRE or PREC. It's to expand your speech, make it more logical and coherent, And I will help you to provide more details to your answers, such as giving reasons and example. So bahala ka dito anong gusto mong sabihin. This is my
Yes.
suggestion.
Got it.
Mention the reason. Next, ituro mo na sa CPREC. So hindi kayo mag-IMF kasi part 2 yon. So PREC is only in part 1 and 3. So
Yes.
when you teach the method, in our school, di ba, si teacher hindi naman siya nag-monologue, yung siya lang na siya yung nagsasalita. Ang gagawin mo dito is, merong teacher, merong student participation, may student interaction. What do you think P means? So you show your teaching page, and then, okay, what do you think P means, teacher, student Joy?
Point.
Point, you're right. Okay, so when you give your point, so explain ka ng konti. You can see here, introductory phrases. Can you choose one? So pasasalitain mo ng pasasalitain si student. Mag-guide ka lang. Okay,
Yes.
so let's look at your point. So kuhanin mo dun sa original answer. You just said yes. So can you choose from the intro phrases? Like, I believe that, or I honestly think that. So may mga intro phrases kasi na pagpipilian. So which one do you choose, Teacher Joy? So basically ganon. As you teach the method, tanungin mo ng tanungin si student. Parang i-guide mo lang siya. Tapos meron ka ng, you will teach the PREC as you do that. Teacher Joy, parang ka, you're frozen. Teacher Mervin?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I thought ako yung frozen.
Hello,
Teacher, oh yeah. Teacher Joy, medyo
Miss Mary.
freeze. Or is it
You're
me?
losing your audio.
How about now?
Yeah.
Hello,
Is
Miss
my
Mary.
connection unstable?
I can hear you now, miss.
Okay. All right. So
But I
maybe my
cannot hear Miss Mary.
connection had a problem.
I can hear you, Miss Joy, but I cannot hear Miss Mary.
Cannot hear
Oh,
Miss Mary.
how about
Can you
now?
hear Miss Mary, Miss
Yes, I
Joy?
can.
Yes, I can.
I cannot as well.
Oh, you cannot. You cannot? Okay, but Teacher Joy could hear me.
Yes, I can hear you,
Dear,
miss.
kanina pa
I
ako
can hear
nakikipag-meeting dito. Ano
Miss
ka?
Mary and Mervin. But Mervin said that
I cannot hear Miss
Miss Mary.
Mary. I can hear only Miss Joy.
I
Oh,
don't know
now I can
why.
hear you,
I don't know why.
Miss Mary.
But how about now, dear? I cannot really adjust. Why? Because I'm using a speaker.
I see, Miss
I'm
Mary.
using a speaker. I don't have like what you're using. So, but then, what I can tell you is that kanina pa ako nakikipag-meeting. Naririnig naman nila ako. So maybe, I don't know, maybe my
Maybe
internet
there's a
or your
glitch.
internet.
I think. Yes,
Ah?
there's a glitch. There's a glitch, Miss Mary. I think.
Okay, anyway, let me continue here. Clear ba yon, Teacher Joy? Yung
yes,
there
miss.
should be interaction in when you present the PREC. So wag
Mhm.
ikaw yung magbabasa ng mga intro phrases, or you be the one to do a monologue. Don't do a monologue here. Okay? After that, so okay, you first you improve the point. Let's move on to the reason. So kung merong reason sa original answer, incorporate that as you improve the answer.
Yes.
Ganun. Then example. Anong difficulty doon, dear?
Kasi I started with like rephrasing it
Mhm.
in a way na I already introduced the PREC pero hindi ko siya inisa-isa.
Isa-isahin
Like
mo. Kasi yun yung breakdown ng PREC eh. Point. So, point muna yung improve mo. Tingnan mo dun sa original answer. Usually yan, yes, no. Ganon yung mga point nila eh. May intro phrases ka. Right? So based on your answer, you said yes. So how can we improve that based on the point interphrases? So ipasok mo yon, right? And then after the point, let's move on to the reason. So once you're done with point, reason, example, then buuin mo na siya in a paragraph form. So you will have to ask the student once again para ma-feel nila. Kasi usually, mga 1 or 2 sentences, tapos na. But once you have done improving it, okay, let me ask you the question once again. Now that you know the methodology, try to answer once more. Don't let your student read, okay, because it's IELTS speaking. Okay, this is your answer, student. Now you know the PREC method. Okay, so I'm going to give you few seconds to glance at your answer. You can try to add more details to your answer, add more reason, add more examples. It's up to you. Okay, so let me ask the question once again. So ask the question once again, click the timer, and then sasagot siya. No need to record that. Parang ipapa-feel mo lang sa kanya na, ganito pala magsagot ng maganda. You know, ng tama. Then after doing that, and there's still time because it's 25 minutes, then prompt for improvement of another answer. Let's say part 1, di part 1. Kung part 3 ulit. Huwag mo na siyang lituhin. Okay? That's answer and correction. What else is the question?
Miss Marie, do we still need to, for example, if the part 3 has been done, like correcting from first question to the fourth question, do we still need to like discuss part 1 and part 2?
No, you're not going to discuss part 2 na nga. Part 2 is IMF. You will not discuss part 2. You will only record in the mock the answer in part 2. Bonus na yun sa'yo sa demo. Because the examiner should not choose part 2. Why? Part 2 has a different methodology, which is IMF. This is day 7.
Okay.
Okay, so pag pinili niya yung IMF, isumbong mo sa akin. The evaluator cannot choose that.
Kaya nga miss, parang nagdadalawang isip ako and I'm preoccupied kasi sabi ko, hala, I need to click part 1, part 2, and
No,
the
no,
part
no.
3.
Ang pwede lang piliin na evaluator is 1 or 3.
1 or 3
Pag
lang.
part 1, kahit walang conclusion. Pag part 3, dapat may conclusion.
Okay.
Okay, so you make sure to also recognize if the answer is okay. You know, baka naman okay na yung sagot, mag-i-improve ka pa. Kasi may mga ganong teachers eh. Okay naman pala yung sagot, bakit mo pa i-improve? Good job, student! Diba? Meron naman, pwede naman din ganon. Let's move on to the next because you can answer very well. Just spot what's the weakness of the answer in the 4 criteria of IELTS. Lexical resource, mali ba yung usage ng word? Grammar ba? Grammar and accuracy? Puro simple sentences ba? A lot of repetitions? Ganon, spot. Pero there probably can have a good answer from students. Okay. What else? Any other questions on other parts? There's band score. And there's course plan, assignment.
None. For me, there's
How
none.
about you, Teacher Joy?
No more, miss.
No more. Where do you start when you will discuss the band score feedback, the 4 criterias? Let's say the score is 4, 4, 4, 5. Where do you start?
5.
5. So you mentioned first the strength. Let's say
Mhm.
that's pronunciation. So, of course, pwede namang that's the strength, but meron pa ring mispronounced. Mention some examples of mispronounced words. And then since 5 minutes ang band score feedback, spend the rest of the 4 minutes in the weaknesses. Kasi if they are the student and they want to improve their IELTS speaking, you must be able to help them more, not in the strength, but in the weaknesses. Okay, so when you type something in the band score feedback, have some examples. Example, I'm very confident. Di malina, right? So you mentioned I'm very confident. It has to be I'm very confident, right?
Great.
Ganon. So meron ka dapat example dun sa correction mo. Apart from nag-correct ka dito sa answer and correction. How about the course plan?
Miss, since the course plan is like system generated, like the number of days or number of sessions,
Yes.
what if the student, for example, in the future, what if the student will suggest longer or shorter like sessions?
Okay, so basically, when it's maybe the student has just 5 days to study with you, or some students will have a month studying with you, we actually have a CC course or what we call a crash course. But for your demo, you're not yet supposed to introduce the crash course. What you need to do is just select what's in the selection. So there's a independent topic teaching, there's a combination. So sasabihin mo lang yon. So a combination of part 1 and 3. For part 2, we can do independent topic teaching. So kung ano yung selection doon, yun lang yung isa-select mo. So basically, apart from that, apart from the selection, you will just mention that, again, the weakness, and then you can say that you can focus more on the weakness in the next classes. Kasi in the course plan, ito na yung clincher. Meaning, this is the time that I'll make sure the student will enroll in my class. So you need to mention, okay, your mock test score is what you have given, but the target score is, let's say, 6.5. As you said, this is just system generated. It says here, we will practice maybe once a day for 30 days, and then click the selection, independent topic teaching for part 1 and 3, mga ganon. And I'll make sure to help you in most of your weaknesses, such as mention sentence structure, grammar, correction, and all that. So I really hope to see you in my next class. Clincher na to. To convince your student to enroll in your class. Kaya, meaning to say, pag mag-warm up ka dito, wag sobrang tagal. 5 minutes lang to. Para mas may time ka sa answer and correction. Kasi this one is just 11 to 14 minutes. Tapos 20 to 25 minutes sa answer and correction. May mga teachers na nawawala ng time sa course plan. So time management dapat. And then of course, yung assignment will be contact the TA, right? So they can see what you prepared in the band score feedback, which is the band score report, and to preview the next class. Of course, you look forward for them to have the class the next time, right? So they can preview the material. That's the assignment. So you must be able to arrive and mention this in your trial class and in your demo. Okay, so I suggest that you use your timer in your mobile phone. So let's say 5 minutes in your warm-up. Tapos mag-alarm ka na after 5 minutes. That will be, let's say, anong oras ba yon? 5, 10 is 10 minutes. 10, 11, 14 minutes after, let your mobile phone alarm. Kasi di ba magaganda na yung mga alarm ngayon sa mobile phone. It means once it alarms on the 14th minute, you will have to wrap up kung hindi ka pa tapos. And then again here, have this alarm for maybe one is after 15 minutes. It means meron pa akong another 10 minutes. So nag-alarm 15 minutes answer and correction, another 10 minutes that you should wrap up. You understand? Para maaano mo na, okay, 25 minutes to, pero let it alarm for 15 minutes. If you can still adjust another question, go ahead. But if not, try to finish up within the time limit. Huwag magsosobra ng magpo-45 minutes tas wala ka ng time dito. So that's what I do. May mga alarm ako to manage my time because you actually cannot look at the time and compute. So that's basically when it's your first time and you need some tools to help you manage the time. Do you have questions?
Yes, Miss, for the demo,
Mm.
it's there's a system for the actual teaching already, right, Miss?
Yes, yes. It's
So
in the
there is
website.
already a timer for that one, or we need to monitor also our time?
Meron ba? I think in the new teaching material there is a timer, but I suggest to have your own timer because
Mm.
I don't know how it works right now or if it's working very well. Like
I
for
see.
instance, there's a transcription tool in the system, but if for instance at the time that you're doing it, the transcription tool does not work, masisira yung buong class mo eh. Kasi try ka ng
Yeah.
try dun sa transcription tool and then it won't transcribe. And then you cannot keep on asking student to repeat the answer because the transcription tool does not work. Why don't you type directly? It's best like that.
I
If
see.
it doesn't work the first time, don't rely on it.
Mm. I got it.
So that's why I still ask for the typing speed. It's best to type, even if it's just words or phrases, if you ask me. But then, if you have already tried, everything is working well, then use it by all means if it's working well. Okay, so today is Thursday. Your demo is tomorrow, right, Teacher Joy?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you think you will prepare for the demo or you can do some onboarding?
Prepare for the demo, miss.
You prepare for the demo. Sige. So you prepare for the demo tonight. Tomorrow will be your demo. And then after the demo, I need you to submit the onboarding requirements on Friday.
Yes, miss.
Okay ba?
Yes,
Sige. Okay, Teacher Mervin, what I'll do is I'll give you the onboarding documents and I will also give you some information for the demo. And then I'll ask Teacher Aloysa to include you in practice demo
Yes, ma'am.
tonight. Are you free tonight?
Oh, what time, Miss?